Today we use K518 Pro to program the 2012 BMW 5 Series Smart Key. This one is the original car key and this one is the new key. The original car key is working normally. Test the remote control and the new key doesn't respond. Car starts normally. Okay, we turn the ignition off. Now we're gonna add the new key with this K518 Pro. Let's begin the adding program. Select IMO and Remote. The car brand search is available in the right corner. Select BMW. Select from type. We see a lot of menus and select CAS4, CAS4 Plus. Method 1 is dismantling and reading the data in CAS. And method 2 reads data via the OBD port. We choose method 2 to program the key. Read the key info first. This function can read CAS and key info and check if the current car requires preprocess. Click OK. Turn the ignition on. Turn on the hazard light to ensure the car isn't in sleep mode. The key info has been read and shown on the device. The first, second, and sixth key positions have been occupied. This car doesn't need to be preprocessed. We don't need to preprocess for this car, so we directly go to backup and restore code. Select the backup code. Turn on the ignition. Enter the file name to save backup data. Backup successful. Next step, make dealer key. Choose Make Dealer Key. Making a new key become a dealer key, which can be used for the key programming. Turn on the ignition. There are two ways to generate dealer key by utilizing the ignition coil or the key slot. Choose the empty key position FFFFF and generate the key with the ignition coil. We suggest saving this page image that shows the CAS number and details. Put the new key on the sensing area. The dealer key is generated and locked successfully. Let's test the remote function. The new key, lock and unlock. The original key, lock and unlock. Everything works well. After confirmation, the key info page will appear with the new key. Cancel to exit. Let's try if the car starts normally. Okay, we start the car. Take out the original key and leave the new key inside. Start the car normally. K518 Pro program 2012 BMW 5 Series Smart Key successfully.